Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to make a disappearing effect using Filmora 9. So I got these free videos from YouTube, you can shoot your own too. This is the first part of the video in which someone is typing on the keyboard. We want to make these hands disappear. So in order to do that, we must have a video with no hands over the keyboard. So in this part, there are no hands over the keyboard. So let's start working. First go to the Transitions tab and insert the erase transition between two parts. Extend the transition a little. Now go to the Elements tab. If you haven't downloaded the martial arts pack, then you can download it from the link given in the description. Add this into your video. Split the elements like this and delete the beginning part. Now right-click on the element layer and set the speed to 1.8. Now double-click the element layer and then pull all the sliders in tone and white balance to the left. Then go to the 3D LUT and select the black and white films. Now double-click the element layer and adjust the spread of particles according to the movement of hands. Now copy the element and paste it in the above layer. Move it a bit right as the erase transition is moving across the hands. Again adjust the spread of particles. Now paste the same element in another layer and move it a little bit right. Make sure to adjust the spread of particles accordingly. Now double-click on element, go to the motion and select this one. Do the same for all of them. Now let's check the preview. If you find this information helpful, then like this video and share it with your friends. If you want more informative videos like this, subscribe our channel. Have a great day.